the way, there's Sotheby's. It is opening up enormously. And I'm hitting myself for not. I mean, I've known
stop
this
it. Don't beat yourself up.
Working for a while. They've been working on this sale for some time, actually, I think, because I was sort of vaguely aware of potential weeks ago that they were moving into a sale mode. Patrick Drahi, though, very interesting here as the buyer.
Tell us.
He puts a release out himself. Mr. Drahi, of course, made his money launching Altice, wireless, cable. Remember Altice USA here in the United States. He says, I'm honored by the board that the board of Sotheby's has decided to recommend my offer. With my family, we're very enthusiastic to build together with its current management and their teams the future of Sotheby's, a fascinating and multi-secular company with such a celebrated history of uniting people all over the world through culture and arts.
Well, I feel so good about that.
He says he has
we are the world, we are one.
Management. He doesn't anticipate any change to the company's strategy. It's just basically it's a fairly large go private at this point. He's going to fund it by financing arranged and underwritten by BNP Paribas, as well as equity from himself. He says, not going to intend to sell any shares of Altice Europe. This does have some impact, you can see in the public market stuff. My intention is to monetize a small position in Altice USA up to $400 million by the end of the year. Due to the share repurchase program, total economic state of his holdings will only go from 38 to, or has gone from 38 to 30, sorry, from 34 to 38%. So now he's going to be reducing because they've been buying back stock.
Well, I don't know. I mean, I look at these deals, think about what he wants to do. He doesn't want to be public, so he can take more risk, do different things. I mean, this is the
some who believe it's still
being
been somewhat undermanaged, and it's been hard to really move the ball down the field here in terms of really exploiting all the data that they have. They know everybody who bid on something that didn't win. Could they help finance people? Could they, there's a belief that there's a lot more data that they could be using.
You mean like artificial intelligence?
I don't know.
Why not? Why not? To figure out what people want.
Seems natural, yeah.
I mean, I know, again, you get a painting. We see these valuations for paintings, and they're more objective maybe than we realize in terms of artificial intelligence. Maybe I remember when I was with Jensen Huang, the great Jensen Huang, out at NVIDIA, and he's got artificial intelligence for what people are thinking. He can predict what people are thinking, and he also has the ability to be able to say, if I said to you, this is scary. Get this, because this is going to shock you, David, in terms of simulations. If I said to you, get out of town, he would know whether he means get on Waze and figure out the best way to go out of town, or whether he's saying you don't know what you're talking about. And he does it with paintings. He's got the paintings that this painting is worth a lot, this painting's not. I mean, he's thinking about things that we can only dream of. Get out of town. Well, hold it. Do we need a trip ticket?
But I can figure that out.
That's why Alexa and Google Voice are starting to get that.
I think that Spotify has figured out what song you want, but how about what painting you want? Jensen's going to have the chips to do that. People laugh at NVIDIA. They keep seeing that stock go down. They won't be laughing soon. It's kind of like Carrie. They're all laughing at me, but no, wait till that bucket of blood comes down.
We're always waiting.
That's the way to end this block.
Bucket of blood's going to come down.